Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team called Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. Guys, we are doing Battle Villa, Hall 15, because our video is getting extremely long, it might get cut off. But before we continue, guys, I need some help. I'll link this in the description below. This is a contest. This is my contest entry. And I'd appreciate it very, very much if you guys can give this a like and a react or something. This is a Facebook thing. And if you have Facebook, you can do this. And you can, if you can, and I'll appreciate it if you could share this to your friends. I mean, compared to the other entries like this entry, I'm running behind. I'm at 129 reacts, and this is a battle of the most reacts. There are 2,000 of you at least, guys. So hoping it just takes a second or two. Not really. It takes around 10 seconds and around, 10 more seconds to share. Hopefully, you guys can do this for me. I'd appreciate it very, very much. And I love you guys. And with that said, let's continue. Challenge Hilda. So I learned earlier that you can actually quit the battle midway and just resume the battle again and you know keep trying, keep trying, keep trying. And so we are going to do that. Four of my characters are dead right now, and they're pretty strong characters. So I'm not exactly sure if we can beat Hilda. Hopefully we could, but are no promises if we could beat Hilda. And you know what? I have no idea how we are going to do this, but
I like how you think.
tech character, Koga. Do I still have my... Sharon is gone. Sharon is dead. I am sad. Sharon is supposed to... No, not Sharon. Who the heck is this guy again? Hilbert. Hilbert is supposed to paralyze everyone, and unfortunately he's gone. Sharon, on the other hand, what are his moves? Facade, full heal, crunch. Facade doubled when the user is poisoned. Apply yourself. Make all allied sync pairs gradually heal themselves. Might be a good combination with Nolan. And Koga for poisoning. Blue for... You know what? Let's just try it first.
I'm giving this all I've got. This battle is mine to win.
Okay. You say so.
Let's roll. Now.
This is gonna be challenging as heck. This is gonna be challenging as heck.
My turn. Now.
We're not done yet.
My turn. Take this. I got this. You got this. Take this.
Oh my gosh, infestation is not good. Oh no,
Got this.
that is not good.
Take this.
We are dead. Nolan is dead.
Put your back into it.
And we quit. We quit. Um, oh, do we already have 9 sync pairs? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, 9. Oh no, we already have 9 sync pairs, guys. Which means we cannot do anything right now. These are our characters. There's nothing we can do. Cannot switch. Just stick with them. Stick with them until the end.
I'm giving this all I've got. This battle is mine to win.
Let's roll.
No.
Here I come. Now. Take that. My turn. I got this. Take that.
We're not done yet.
My turn. Take this. Here we come. Go.
Damn!
Teach them a lesson. Take this. Here we come.
You know what? I think I'll evolve this instead.
Teach them a lesson. Now.
Just this bringing on you.
No way we're gonna lose.
We are going to lose this battle, but it's fine.
Go. Knowledge is power. Take this.
I'll show you how an ace trainer battles.
Here we come. You want a piece of me? Let's roll.
You want a piece of me?
Teach them a lesson. Take this. Take that.
We're not done yet.
Bring it on. Recover a bit more.
Take this.
Still beautiful.
Watch and learn. Take that. Knowledge is power.
Oh wait, did you miss?
Put your back into it.
Oh frick.
What happened?
Poor Nolan.
Take this. Here we come.
Do your best.
Oh no. Oh no.
No way we're gonna lose. Here I come.
Sad. That is sad.
Here we come. Pokemon.
Trace. to make a splash.
Put your back into it.
Yes. Perfect.
Go for it.
But I might get confused.
Here we come.
And that sync move is gonna kill me.
You want a piece of me? Let's roll.
Please survive. Yes. That's fine. At least I get to land one more hit.
Go.
And goodbye. Goodbye. Oh, at least you died. Did you die? Are you still alive? You're still alive. Why are you alive? You're supposed to die. So how many more Pokemon can I use? Two. With super low HP. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. I'm dead.
Team up with
So
me.
dead. So dead.
I'm giving this all I've got.
So dead. Let's probably try and kill all the... Why are you still alive? There you go.
I'll show you what the power of shorts can do.
There you go.
I got this. I got this.
I've got this.
Probably should attack instead of use buffs.
Go.
Here we go. Storm restraint.
Lost. Not cool.
Can we use a sync move? Come on. Come on. Oh no. Sync move, please. Allow me to use one sync move.
You can do it.
X speed all, I think. Yes, I can use a sync move. Come on.
I got this.
I'm dead the next turn, but at least I got to use a sync move.
You can do it.
At least I got to use two moves.
Shorts are my badge of honor. All right.
And I am dead, guys. But I think we did well for this update. It's a long one. It's a very long update. But that's it, guys. That's it. This is our roster for today, and our HP, our Pokemon are dead. We tried not to use any items. We still have an MP recovery thing over here. And after Hall 15, you know, we'll move on and see how far we can go. And that's it for this video. Again, guys, please support me. I'd appreciate it if you could share this to your friends. Again, you can give this a react. Any reaction will do. Like, just hold this. You can just choose a normal like. And if you want, you can comment. Really, really, really appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Rawr.